Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change map scale with volume buttons on the Yandex Maps application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find the different buttons. New, just click to the three line at the upper left corner of the home screen, click to the settings, and new, click to the first, the map and interface, and go to the interface section, and you can find the fourth option, the change map scale with volume buttons. Actually, I don't use this function, but if you want to turn on, click to the next gray circle, and if it will be turned blue, this function will be enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.